GenRouter has officially updated the VPN feature. In this video, I'll guide everyone on how to use this feature. First, open any browser and access the GenRouter admin page. By default, it's 192.168.5.1.290. After accessing it, in the top right corner, click the update button to check if you've updated GenRouter to the latest version. If not, the update button will light up, so just click it to update to the newest version. Once the update is complete, you'll see a section called VPN Manager. Click on it to add a VPN. Then click Add VPN. Currently, GenRouter supports Express, Node, and OpenVPN. In this video, I'll be using ExpressVPN. In the location section, select the country where you want to change your IP to. Below that, enter your username and password. Note that the account you use must be in the username format. It does not support logging in via email. After that, click Add. Wait about 30 seconds, then reload the web page. In the status section, it will change from disconnect to connected. To check the IP, I'll use PopPhone. This is the device I've already connected to GenRouter. Let's check its original IP first. Currently, its original IP is in Vietnam. To change the IP for this device, go back to the admin page and go to Device Manager. Select the device you want to change the IP for. In the proxy type section, select OVPN, then choose the VPN you just created. Click Add, then apply for device. Now I'll go back to Book Phone to check the IP. The IP address has now been changed to Albania. And this will be the IP address that's displayed. It will be exactly the same as the one shown on the GenRouter admin page. See, everyone can see that these two IP addresses match perfectly.